voice. You've done really well done. Zoe.
That's what I was going to say. I like the thin texture you have to your voice and like the soft raspy tone, and because of that I think the song choice suited you very well, plus I love that song as well. So, and I just feel like there's so much more that you can show us. I feel like you got a really big voice behind what you just showed us tonight, and I could hear it in some of the words where you went a bit bigger. And you just need more confidence as well, but that comes with time and experience, so well done.
You do have a really, really pretty tone, and very unique, especially in your lower register. There's a really unique current sound there, and I think that the more you are, subject, the more you have to get up and sing, the more that's going to come out, and that's going to be, it's just going to come across a little bit more. I agree with Zoe. You've got so much potential there. I think obviously this is your first time doing anything. Well, this is the first time we've seen you, so the more you sing in front of us, I do think that you have a lot of ability in your voice and a lot of versatility, and I think we're going to see a lot more from you as the competition progresses. But you've just got stacks and stacks of potential, and it was really, really pretty. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Well, here we are. So obviously, I've been working with you the last couple of weeks now, and I've seen such a dramatic change in you as a singer just in these couple of weeks. And honestly, I was thinking, all right, I hope she comes out and does it now. Is she going to get her breathing and everything? And do you know what? You've done so well with her then. The unique tones were there. All of this that you offer as a singer. And like I said, we all got to start somewhere. We all got to find ourselves as an artist, and sometimes we don't have the easiest path starting off, and we go into the wrong things and think that can kind of lose who we are. But this song choice was perfect for you, because I don't know how the girls feel, but that is exactly where I see you as a singer. That sort of very unique current vibe to your voice, the birdies,
I could see Lost Boy was
that sort of thing. All of these sort of artists, that's who you are, and I'm really excited to see that come to life. I really am. I definitely think this process could benefit you in terms of your breathing, because I think that is the only thing that I feel like when I watch you, your presentation is fantastic. You're using your hands, you're looking out into the audience, you've got everything there. It's just the breathing, and we've spoke about that, and it is getting better and better and better. So keep working on that breathing. Other than that, congratulations on an awesome audition.
Thanks,
well done, yeah.